for me so the hole's not showing?
Hey guys, I'm making another video.
Are you even taping? Yeah, he is.
I'm doing a rainbow egg
Never
video.
mind, stop.
And here we go.
Okay, ready?
I'm waiting.
Go.
I'm waiting.
Oops. Okay. Cake.
Pretty neat, eh? I'm just gonna put this one. Nope, I missed it. Oh, crap. Come on. Okay.
You didn't peel it right.
I'm not a professional egg peeler, man. That's good.
It's alright, I didn't do much better than I thought.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's my turn. Paper towel.
Go grab an egg. How do you do this?
2 eggs, please.
1 egg. Let Bailey tape you this time.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Want that one? Sure.
Yep. This is my egg, and I'm gonna crack it.
Wait.
That didn't work.
Okay.
Have a bake shop.
Oh, those are the hands.
Yeah, really.
Crack it. I cracked it.
You did.
Make sure you hold your iPad with your chin.
Oh man, buddy, you need to wash your hands. His egg turned out the best out of all of ours.
Look at his hands. I got my mouth. Okay.
Don't eat that. You need to wash your hands.
I'm not gonna eat it. I'm not gonna eat this. I'm gonna save it.
For what?
Show my friends at school.
They're gonna eat it.
Probably not.
Just show them your dirty hands too.
They're mean.
Chirps.
By the time you get to school, it's gonna just be black.
Cool.
Here's the egg when it's finished. That was my annoying brother blocking the screen.
Very funny.
Only 2 subscribers, Miles. No one's gonna see this except me and not Chris. You only have 1 now.
Yeah, I am subscribed as soon as you click subscribe. God, I don't want that stuff about.
Okay, next egg.
No, that's it. You used it.
Good.
Well, that was the rainbow egg video. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe.